How do you stop sore throat pain from flu coughs? When you're battling a flu and that nagging sore throat makes everything more uncomfortable, it can feel like a never-ending cycle of irritation. Luckily, there are safe and effective ways to ease that pain and make you more comfortable as your body fights off the virus. First, pain relief is key. Over-the-counter medicines like acetaminophen or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, such as ibuprofen, can help reduce both the soreness and any fever you might have. It's important to follow the dosing instructions carefully and avoid giving aspirin to children because of the risk of Reye syndrome. Lozenges containing mild anesthetics like benzocaine or lidocaine can numb the throat temporarily, providing quick relief. Throat sprays with antiseptics and topical anesthetics are also helpful for soothing irritation. Gargling with warm salt water is a simple, natural remedy that can reduce swelling and soothe your throat. Mix about half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water, gargle for a few seconds, then spit it out. Repeat several times a day as needed. Next, staying well hydrated is vital. Drinking plenty of fluids keeps your throat moist and helps thin mucus, which can lessen coughing and irritation. Warm drinks like herbal teas, broths, or warm water with honey can be especially soothing. Avoid irritants such as smoking or secondhand smoke, which can worsen inflammation and prolong discomfort. Managing your cough also plays a role in reducing throat pain. If you have a wet cough, expectorants like guaifenesin can loosen mucus, making coughing less harsh. For a dry, irritating cough suppressants such as dextromethorphan may be used cautiously to reduce the frequency of coughing, giving your throat a chance to heal. Additional comfort measures include using a humidifier or inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water to keep the air moist. This can prevent your throat from drying out further. Resting your voice and avoiding excessive talking helps reduce strain on your sore throat. Remember, most sore throats caused by the flu are viral and will improve on their own within a few days to a week. Antibiotics are not effective against viruses and should only be used if a bacterial infection is diagnosed by a healthcare professional. If your symptoms worsen, last longer than 10 days, or are accompanied by high fever, difficulty breathing, or severe pain, seek medical care promptly. In summary, controlling sore throat pain from flu coughs involves using pain relievers, staying hydrated, managing your cough carefully, and avoiding irritants. These steps can help you feel more comfortable while your immune system works to clear the infection. Always consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice, especially if symptoms are severe or persistent.